after 1 year and 8 months, may pangyayaring naganap. Yung aking may bahay, yung aking asawa, ay nagkaroon po ng karamdaman sa dibdib. Tinubuan po ng mga bukol. At ang payo ng doktor ay tanggalin yung pinakamalaking option. Nung tinanggal po, akala namin, yun na yung solusyon. But after a month, bumalik po yung mga bukol. It's already cancerous. And naalala namin yung purkir kasi 1.5 year back ago, nung inintroduce sa amin, tinanggihan namin. We choose to believe to our doctors. Of course, siyempre, yun naman po yung upbringing natin, di ba? If there's something happen to our body, of course, we submit to our doctors. Kung ano man sabihin nila, we have no choice. Operahan, operahan. Putulan, putulan. Okay lang kung paa. Huwag lang yung ano, no? So that's how we submit ourselves, no? Kala namin solusyon na yung pinakamalaking bukol na tinanggal. Kaya lang nga, pagbalik na ako, medyo, parang that's the time we tried the product. And because of that, kasi yung oral stem cell, hindi namin masyadong inintindi yung technology. Kaya, kasi alam namin stem cell, yung intravenous. Pero, ang alam ko, punta ka pa ng Germany o kaya Switzerland, million yun. Wala tayong access doon. Only the rich and famous. So, nangyari, she tried that purchase for the following 5 days, 8 capsule per day. So, during that time, ang advice na sa kanya ng doctor ay removal of both breasts and chemotherapy and radiation. Try to imagine. Tatanggalin po yung kanyang dalawang dibdib. Kawawa naman. Sino pong kawawa? Iyang-iya naman ako. Bakit ako? Anong kinalaman ko dyan? So anyway, can we acknowledge my wife at the back? So Vivian Ribunsay, our diamond sister. She's the reason why I'm Riway. So my sponsor, Sir Joel Gamas, are the one who introduced to me in Riway. Pero ang nagtulak talaga sa akin papasok yung wife ko. Siya yung naging sacrificial lang before I believe in this kind of platform. So because of that, yung wife ko, nung tinik yung Purchiro, in 5 days, nawala po yung, there is no massing. Walang makitang bukol dun sa mammograph report niya. And very magical po talaga yung pangyayari. And because of that, we continue to explore. Kasi ang sabi sa akin nung sponsor ko, Rad, if you try to sell the product, walang bibili. Hindi ka mag-a-ahente rito ng produkto para ibenta-benta mo kasi walang bibili. You will not do that. Literally. So, sabi ko, pero paano? And then, isa lang sinabi ko, how can I take the product for free? Ay, sabi niya, magandang tanong. You have to find ways to define your mission and advocacy in this kind of platform. Kaya ako naman, hindi ako nalalayo kasi dati nasa programang pabahay ako para sa mga mahihirap. And madali na yung adjustment. Andun pa rin naman, nasa puso't isip ko pa rin naman yung advocacy in a different way. No? Kaya nung nakita ko to, health, naabutan ko pa yung health revolution. Sabi ko, gusto ko to. So, yun yung naging accommodation ko talaga po sa Riway.